Wait, I know you are so amazed with the kind of cartoon character you just watched right now. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create something exactly like this. In fact, multiple cartoon character like this for free without paying for any software. That is what I'm going to show you in this video. I'm going to show you how you can create something like what you just watched a moment ago. Or do you want us to watch another one together again? Now, let's watch this one together.
Hi, my friends, come sing with me. Let's learn our letters.
Wow.
A, B, seeds. Trees for apple, red and sweet. Crunch, crunch, yum, what a treat.
Wow.
B is for ball, it loves to play.
Yes.
Bounce, bounce, bounce all day. C is for cookie, round and fun. Take a bite for everyone. A, B, C.
So as you can see, I created all this for free without paying for any AI tool. With the use of Google Gemini plus Grok AI, I can be able to create something amazing like this, and it's free. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can also create something amazing like what you just watched a moment ago. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel, in this channel we'll teach you how you can use AI to create your images, how you can use AI to edit your photos, how you can use AI to create videos. In fact, how you can use AI, that is what we teach in this channel. So if you are interested to learn how to be using AI, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If today is the first time you are coming across this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell, so that when next we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, let me take you guys to my phone screen and show you how you can create something amazing like what you just watched a moment ago. Let's get started. So let's get started. And to get started, let's head over to ChatGPT. On ChatGPT, we are going to paste our prompt. Now, this is our prompt. I've already generated my prompt. As you can see, it says create 36-second 3D children's learning cartoon in a bright, colorful, fun style of. So you can see all this thing. Baby shaking. The video is for kids age 3 to 8 years. So I will just put everything. Now, all I just need to do is just to put my video idea here. Now, I will say, let me write learning A, B, C, D. Learning A, B, C, A, B, C, D. Let's just leave it like this. And I also have add this same description, matching image prompt for AI image generation, image to video animation prompt for emotion, lip sync, and other things. Now, if you need this prompt, I'm going to drop the link, this prompt on my Telegram channel. So let's just continue. If you need the prompt, let me know, and I'm going to, this prompt I use, you can go to my Telegram channel. The link to my Telegram channel is on the description of this video. When you check the description of this video, you are going to see the link to my Telegram channel. If you join my Telegram channel, you are going to see the prompt I use. Now, as you can see what ChatGPT gives to us, this is our scene 1. As you can see, this is the description. This is the image. As you can see, the image prompt here. This is image to video prompt. This is the music lyrics that will fit the video. Now, what we need to do is to copy this first image prompt here, this image prompt you are seeing, this first one here. We are going to copy it right now. We'll tap on it, we'll type on select text. So we are copying this image prompt. This first one, we copy it. And after we copy it, we are going to head over to Google Gemini, where we are going to create our image. Now let's go to Google Gemini. Now this is Google Gemini, as you can see. This is our Google Gemini. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to click on Create Image. Now, when we click on Create Image, we are going to paste that prompt here. We'll paste the prompt here. We'll click on Next. Then we'll click on Generate. Now, let's just give it some minutes. It's going to generate the image for us. Now, as you can see, it says Image here, your 3D cartoon classroom. Now, let's wait for some minutes and it's going to generate it for us. Now, this is it. As you guys can see, this is it. But as you can see, it's generated in 1:1. Normally, Google Gemini usually generates image 1:1. So, if you want it to generate maybe for your YouTube, which is 16.9 or 9.16, which is for TikTok or for Facebook, you are going to upload an image that have that ratio. So you need to upload a sample of that image so that Google Gemini is going to understand that this is the ratio you want. Now, for example, I want to create this for YouTube channel. So I need to upload image that has ratio 16.9. Now, the next thing I will do is to upload image with ratio 16.9 as an example. Now, I've uploaded the image. This is the image here. Now, I'll paste the prompt. At the end of the prompt, I will say using the image here ratio. So I'll click on continue. Now, give it some minutes and it's going to generate it for us. Well, now, as you guys can see, it has generated the image for us. Now, this is the YouTube ratio. This is YouTube ratio. We can save this one now. That will come and use later. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to go back. Now, we go to ChatGPT. We are going to copy our second prompt. Not image to prompt to our second prompt, which is the image prompt here. We copy the second one also, as you can see. We copy it. We come back to Google Gemini. We paste it here. We paste it here direct. Click on it and it's going to generate the second scene for us. Now, let's wait for it to complete. Also, now this is the second scene here, as you can see. We click on it and we click on download. We save it to our phone. Now, we also need to do it for the third one also. Now, let's check the third one. This is the third one we copy, which is the letter B. We go back to Google Gemini. We paste it here so that it will generate it for us. Click on generate. This is the third one here. As you guys can see, this is the third one. So the next thing we click on download also. Now, I will generate all the image. I don't want this video to be so long. Now, let me generate all the image so that after I generate the image, I will take you guys to how you can convert this image to video that will match our scene. Now, let's go and generate the image. Let me generate the image. Let me post this video and generate all the image. Now I've successfully generated all the images. As you can see, these are all the images here. Sorry, from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is 6 images. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is to convert this image to videos. And to convert this image to videos, we are going to be using Grok AI. Now, let's go to Google Play Store or Apple Store and you go and download Grok AI. Now, this is the app. This is the app. Go and install the app on your phone. It's telling me to update. I've already have the app on my phone. All I just need to do is just to log in. Now, this is the app. All I just have to do is to click on this imagine up here. And the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this plus sign here. When I click on this plus sign, all I need to do is to add those images. Now, this is the first image here. This is our first image here. We click on it. Now, this is our first image. Now, we are going back to ChatGPT. I'm going back to ChatGPT. This is our ChatGPT. And we are going to see our first prompt here. As you can see, image to prompt. Image to video, we copy it. When we copy, we go back to this app here. We are going to click on here as customize. Then we are going to paste our prompt here. We'll click on continue. Now it's going to restart and generate this video for us according to our prompt. According to the prompt we give to him. So that the video is going to match the scene, the way we want everything to be step by step. So let's just pay attention and wait for the result. Now as you can see, this is our video. Now this is the video. The next thing we are going to do is just to click on this download here and we are going to download this one to our phone. Now it's downloading. Now the next thing we are going to do is to go back to here. We copy our second prompt here again. This is our second prompt here. As you can see, image to video. The second prompt for the image to video. We copy it also. We copy it now. We go back here. When we go back, we upload. We click on plus again. We upload our second image. This is the second image. After uploading the second image, we put our prompt here. After putting the prompt, we click on continue. So this is how we are going to do it to continue generating all the image to video prompt step by step, gradually, one by one. So this is how we are going to do it one by one and generate our video. So let's click on download this one also. This one has done. Now let's move to the third one. Every image has its own image to video prompt. Now as you can see, this is for the third one. We copy it also. We go back. We upload the third image also. This is the third image. Here, as you can see, it's uploading. Now we put our prompt here. Then we click on continue also. So this is how we are going to do it one by one. So let me generate all the image to video prompt so that I will not waste much of your time. After I generate it, and I'm going to show you how you can also generate sound that will match this video and how you are going to add everything together to make it look so nice. So make sure you watch this video. And if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that when you drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Let's download this one also. Now, I have successfully generated all the videos. Let me click here. When I click here, as you can see, these are all the videos here. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's just 6. These are all the videos. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is to add the videos all together and also with the sound. Now, when we go back to ChatGPT here, you are going to see ChatGPT also give us music prompt for Snow AI, which will generate exactly music that will match this video for us. As you can see, this is the prompt. Now, we are going to use Snow AI to generate our music that is going to match this video. Now, let's go to Snow AI to generate our music. Now, this is Snow AI. The next thing we are going to do is to click on this music sign here, this music icon. When we click on it, it's going to bring us to this interface where it will ask us to song description. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to go back to ChatGPT. This is our song description. We copy everything. Then we go back to the AI and we paste everything here. After pasting it, the next thing we are going to do is to click on create. Now, we'll click on create. This AI tool is going to help us generate the music we are going to use for this sound. The music background we are going to use for this sound. And it's generating the music already. So you guys will see, this is the music. Just give it like 10 seconds or 30 seconds is going to generate the music for us. Now, as you can see, this is the music up here. So I can decide to play the music right now so that you guys will see and listen to the music. And we are going to choose the best among these two that is generating. The best that we like most, we are going to choose among the two. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and also comment in the comment section of this video. Now, let's play this first one here.
So red, so round.
Now let's play the second one. You can choose in between the two. Anyone that you like most, you can choose to download anyone. I prefer this second one. Or let's say this first one. Anyone, let's download this first one. All you have to do is just to click on this three dots. And we are going to click on download here. And we are going to click on download MP3. Then we'll click on download anyhow. And it's going to be downloaded to our phone. Now, as you can see, downloaded. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to head over to CapCut, where we are going to add everything together. This is CapCut. We click on add new video. Now, these are all the scenes. We start adding everything together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we click on add. These are all the same. Now, when we generate all this video, it comes with sound. So I want us to tap on every scene. We take it to 0. We don't want to use that sound. We want to use the sound we generated. So we are going to take everything to 0. Take everything to 0. We don't need this sound here. Everything. After taking it to 0, the next thing we are going to do is to click on add audio here. When we click on add audio, it will take us to music sound. Here we click on device. Want to add music from our device, we click on allowed. Now we search for that music name. Sorry, I did not even get the music name. It is called ABCD bonus bounce abi ABC. I've not seen it here. Now we have added the sound. Let's play it and see. Now you can decide to create merge scene and be adding it together and edit it so that it will follow the music sound. You can start to edit everything together. So this is how I make this video. You guys just watch. So I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. Comment in the comment section of this video. Comment learn AI with Musa in the comment section of this video, or cartoon character in the comment section of this video. Don't forget to give us a subscribe button. Thank you for watching. See you guys on our next video.